Welcome to the CDC Software Zendesk CRM demo. CDC Software provides CTI solutions focused on contact center market, and their solutions create real-time, events-based links between leading systems and data sources. This results in real-time delivery of caller information and allows focus on a positive customer experience. By now I'm sure you're wondering how all of this works. This diagram will walk you through the process of how a call is received, navigated, and handled. The process begins with a caller dialing your number. CDC receives the call events for each call, which are then handled by the telephony system. The platform then can retrieve and store data from the customer. Using this customer data, interactions are created within Zendesk, and a ticket is generated for your customer and is displayed for the agent for both review and action. All of this occurs in a highly configurable environment, making CDC a perfect fit for your needs. Let's take a look at a couple workflows in action. For this example, let's assume we're call center representatives. From the CDC application embedded in the Zendesk screen, you can maintain your agent state. As you can see here, we're currently listed in a not ready status. By clicking the drop-down, you can set yourself to ready. Click the down arrow to continue. With our status set to ready, we're now ready to take a call. Click next to continue. An inbound call is being received. Click answer to continue. From this screen, you'll have a lot of options to choose from, including selecting a username to create a new ticket, selecting an existing ticket to update it, and creating a new user and new ticket. In this example, we'll assume that we're going to select Chad Reed, an existing username, to create a new ticket. Click Chad Reed to continue. From this screen, you can see that the requester's name and phone number both populate in the call box. Assuming we're ready to conclude the call, click Release to continue. Once the call has been released, CDC will calculate and record information pertaining to the call. Click Next to continue. The different types of data CDC can compile include, but are not limited to, call time, queue time, talk time, and hold time. Click Next to continue. The software control application embedded within the Zendesk screen will assist you with performing both inbound and outbound calls. Since we've already looked at an inbound call, let's look at outbound calls using Click to Call. Click Next to continue. The number we wish to call is listed in our history. Click the highlighted number to continue. When you're calling out, you'll see a ringing notification on your screen. Click Ringing to continue. When the customer answers, a pop-up window will appear. In this example, click the highlighted call 19333 to continue. By selecting ticket 19333, that ticket has now been updated as is illustrated here under the Tim Chapin section. Please note, this information is highly configurable and may look very different for your application. Click ticket 19333 to continue. Now let's say in this example that you as an agent need to transfer a call. In the space highlighted, type 5007, then click the transfer button to continue. Switching views to the receiving screen, ticket 19333 now shows up on the receiving agent screen. From here, we're going to take a look at the transfer console process. Click Next to continue. Looking at the screens side by side, here we're getting ready to hand off the call. Click Transfer to continue. Once transfer is clicked, the first agent will drop off the call, and the second agent will take over. Click Next to continue. Switching over to Agent 2's full screen view, let's assume again that the call is ready to be concluded. Click Release to continue. Here again, as with the inbound call, the outbound call is also recorded along with all of its data. Click Next to continue. Now, let's take a quick look at how to configure users. In this example, we have a non-configured user, Gilbert Roque. We want to configure Gilbert. Click Gilbert Roque to continue. For this example, we'll integrate Gilbert into the telephony integration section with the extension 8888. Type 8888 in the highlighted section and press Enter to continue. The agent in question has now been updated in the system. Click Next to continue. One last look into the dashboard will show queue and agent information. Please note that these screens are not intended to replace your telephony system reporting, but will provide a quick view of some summary data. Click the Agents tab to continue. Once you've reviewed the Agents view, click Next to continue. Thanks for taking the time to review our CDC software demo. From voicemail and metrics integration to soft phone functionality and custom reporting, our platform is effective, user-friendly, and configurable. If you have any questions, please reach out using the contact information on the following screen. Thank you for choosing CDC software.